Lamborghini Chiron FKP37. Lamborghini are cars for the elite, but today we will talk about the car of this brand, which is 10 times more expensive than Aventador. The new Lamborghini Chiron FKP37 is a technological masterpiece. The main novelty of the supersport car is a hybrid system that provides a balance of lightness and incredible power. The Lamborghini Chiron's hybrid powertrain generates an incredible 819 horsepower. The power is transmitted to all four wheels via a 7-speed automatic transmission. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour or 62 miles per hour is just 2.8 seconds, and the top speed exceeds 350 km per hour or 218 miles per hour. The Chiron is the jewel on Lamborghini's crown, and for those interested in buying it, there's bad news. All 63 cars in the series are already sold out. The limited edition Chiron FKP37 is also based on Lamborghini's Aventador. True, the model has seriously changed the body and interior. During the presentation, the starting price of Chiron was announced, which was $3.7 million. The Koenigsegg Jesco is a hypercar named by Christian von Koenigsegg, after his 80-year-old father Jesco. Introduced at the Geneva Motor Show 2019, the show car surprised the public with a large carbon fiber front splitter and a huge boomerang-shaped rear wing suspended on two horizontal supports. Together, they provide 1,000 kilograms of downforce at 275 km per hour and 1,700 kilograms at a top speed, which is not yet known. The company has also developed a version of the Jesco Absolute with less downforce and reduced aerodynamic drag, capable of speeds of up to 483 km per hour, 300 miles per hour, and higher. The Koenigsegg Jesco is powered by a completely rebuilt 5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. Both versions are certified for use on public roads around the world. The firm will build a total of 125 Koenigsegg Jescos at a cost of $3 million each. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus is considered the fastest production car. The creators of the supercar claim that buyers get the same car as the one that set the speed records recorded in the Guinness Book. The car was the first to break the barrier of 490 km per hour or 304 miles per hour. The 300 Plus index in the name of this modification Chiron symbolizes the unofficial speed record set by the pre-production prototype on the aerolescent test track. The Supersport 300 Plus version differs from the standard Chiron in its body. Everything superfluous was removed from it. In order to minimize air resistance, the stern was lengthened by 25 centimeters, and the front part was redesigned for optimal redistribution of airflows. In addition, the record-breaking hypercar received a W16 engine boosted to 1,600 horsepower, as well as other settings and software for a number of systems. Was reported to be approximately $3.9 million at the time of its release. However, it's worth noting that the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus was a limited edition model, with only 30 units planned for production, and all of them have likely been sold. Due to its exclusivity and high demand, the price may vary in the resale market. The Gordon Murray Automotive T50's Niki Lauda is a track-special version of the T50 supercar. Its name pays tribute to the 3-time Formula One world champion. Each of the 25 examples costs $3.7 million. The founder of Gordon Murray Automotive, Gordon Murray, made a career in the auto industry and was noted for creating the iconic McLaren F1 supercar, and now builds sports cars under his own brand. The company promises to start production of T50's Niki Lauda this year. The T50's Niki Lauda is powered by a 3.9-liter V12 Cosworth engine, producing 701 horsepower. In addition, a newly developed air intake on the roof can increase the maximum power to an incredible 725 horsepower. All body panels are made of carbon fiber, and the windows have lighter glazing. The springs, dampers, and anti-roll bar have been redesigned to improve track performance. New air ducts around each wheel are also designed to improve brake cooling. The driver's seat consists of carbon fiber and is also equipped with a 6-point seatbelt. The displays are also race-oriented, offering engine data, aerodynamic information, gearshift indicator, telemetry, lap times, tire pressure and temperature, G-forces, and camera video. A truly special car that aims to deliver pure track racing fun. The McLaren Saber is an entry-level supercar from British automaker McLaren Automotive. The model originally borrowed heavily from a Formula One car and is a favorite among luxury car manufacturers and private owners worldwide. Powering the McLaren Saber is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pumping out 824 horsepower. The engine comes with a 7-speed gearbox that helps send power to all 4 wheels. This car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds and reach a top speed of 351 miles per hour. Agility is just one of the many features that make this car so popular and desirable. Buying a McLaren means buying more than 50 years of racing history and experience. The model has a design that makes it one of the best cars in the world. This McLaren will cost you about $3.5 million, but it is definitely worth it. This is a luxury car that can handle any driving conditions or surface, providing a smooth ride. With a distinctly retro look, the new Victor is powered by a 7.3-liter V12 engine that has been modified by Cosworth to produce 836 horsepower. But the most surprising thing is that almost 840 horsepower engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. This makes the new Victor the most powerful Aston Martin ever built. The new Aston Martin Victor is based on a completely renewed carbon monocoque from the 177, with the addition of elements from other models. The lights are taken from the Valkyrie, adjustable dampers from the Vulcan, elements of external decor from the DBX crossover. It is worth noting that the new Aston Martin Victor is completely legal for movement on public roads. The body is created from carbon fiber and painted in Pentland green color, which is recreated from the colors from the models of the British brand of the 1970s. There is no information on pricing for this unique supercar, but according to Top Gear, the price will be between $5 million and $7 million. The Pagani Huayra has been produced since 2011, and during that time less than 300 cars have been produced. Moreover, some versions exist in just a few copies, like the one we will tell you about today. Pagani Huayra Tricolor will be released in the amount of only 3 pieces. The design of the Pagani Huayra is in the colors of the Frecce Tricolore aircraft. All 5 convertibles were painted blue with Italian flag stripes on the sides. Special and forged wheels with a diameter of 20 inches at the front and 21 inches at the rear. All body panels are carbon fiber, and titanium is used in the design, so the weight of the convertible is only 1,270 kilograms. Pagani Huayra Tricolor's interior also features blue details and images of Italian flags. The engine of the Pagani Huayra is produced by the Mercedes-AMG division and is hand-assembled by one person. For Tricolor, this 6.0-liter turbocharged V12 engine was finalized and now develops 840 horsepower. It is the most powerful model of the brand. The price of this car is $6.75 million. The Bugatti Chiron 2020 is a new and expensive hypercar produced in a very limited edition. As it became known, the world premiere of the new hypercar took place at the Exhibition of Elegance in Pebble Beach, California. The novelty was developed based on the classic model EB110 SS, released in 1991, but with innovations and modern requirements. The name of the model is translated from Italian as 110. It was not invented in vain, since these days it would have been 110 years old for the founder of the company, Ettore Bugatti. The new model has got a completely new original body. Similar to the EB110 SS is the horseshoe-shaped front grille, although it is slightly smaller than the original model. There are also similarities in the bumper slits and 5 round air intakes behind the side windows. Another additional detail is the transparent insert on the hood of the Bugatti 110. Under it, the engineers placed a W16 turbocharged 8.0-liter engine from the previously famous Bugatti Chiron. The power of the unit was increased from 1,500 to 1,600 horses. The Bugatti Chiron is priced at an incredible $9 million. The new Bugatti Voyager Noir is a tribute to the classic Bugatti 57 SC Atlantic model, or rather one of the 4 built, which was personally owned by Jean Bugatti, son of the company owner. It took Bugatti over 2 years to complete this special project. The first prototype was shown at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. The modern Bugatti Voyager Noir is based on the production model Chiron, but has a seriously redesigned body, in which the designers together with the customer tried to embody the features of Jean Bugatti's car. The front end is completely different, and the stern has also been changed. Voyager Noir should confidently gain over 260 miles per hour and at the same time remain controllable. The interior is finished in brown leather with wood and aluminum inlays. The details of the La Voyager Noir radiator grille are 3D printed, and the wide-diode taillight is made as a single element without joints for the first time in Bugatti. The unique Bugatti cost about €11 million, and there will be no other similar cars. In the pre-war years, the Rolls-Royce brand was famous first of all for its exclusive models with custom-made bodies from well-known studios. Now the British company has decided to revive the glorious tradition and launches a new division, Rolls-Royce Coach Build, specifically to create special individual cars. The firstborn is the Rolls-Royce Boattail convertible. The new Rolls-Royce Boattail is built on the platform of the Phantom sedan and reaches 5.8 meters in length. The convertible looks like a luxury yacht. It has a long hood and a trunk lid that mimics a wooden deck. The front end has a familiar style, although the grille and oblong laser headlights look more elegant than those of the sedan. The 6.7-liter turbocharged V12 engine, with 571 horsepower, is passed from Rolls-Royce Phantom without changes. The new Rolls-Royce Boattail will be released in 3 copies. It was valued at an unbelievable $28 million, and it is the most expensive car in the world. The name of the buyer is kept secret, but there is information that it is a billionaire. Another version is that according to some insiders, the car was ordered by the famous footballer Lionel Messi. Write in the comments which of these cars you would like to buy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also watch our previous videos. See you later.